Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is April the 1st, 2019, and I wanted to give you a quick update on how the onion seedlings are doing. And this one here is the Parma, Yellow of Parma onion. This is an heirloom onion. It's an old Italian variety. And you can see it's producing the nice bulbs on it. These will be really nice for when they go outside. Nice thick growth. They're not tall or spindly. Now I have been pruning mine about once to twice a week. It just depends on how much they grow. Those actually need trimmed again. And we have this one here. Let me hold on a moment here. Oh dear, my tag fell over. This is the Elisa Craig. These are the ones that can get up to 5 pounds. These are an heirloom onion. Now they're not good for storage, so we didn't grow as many of these. This is the first year we've ever tried these, and it's also the first year we ever tried the Yellow of Parma onions. But you can see how nice and thick the stalks are. They're not tall, they're not spindly, they're not just falling over. They have a nice base to them. So these should transplant very nicely when they go out into the garden. Let's come down the line here. Now these here were planted later, so these are going to get trimmed again to make them nice and thick for us. I have some more over here and over there. This is a yellow onion, this is a red onion over here. And then I have more onions back here. Now I am still feeding these once a week. And I'm still using the 1/4 teaspoon of Miracle-Gro to 1 gallon of water. And I always make sure that they're nice and moist before I feed them. Now you can see these back here are the Walla Walla onions. And they have the nice thick growth to them. They're not tall, they're not spindly, they're not falling over. And I do have the fan running down here. I just turned it down on low so I can do the video for you here. And the fan runs for 14 hours a day. That also helps to sturdy your plants up. So I do recommend running a fan. And these are more Walla Wallas over here. So I wanted to give you this quick video update. I will put a link, and I will put a link down in the description of this video for how to harden your plants off before you take them outside to plant them. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter and get updates on how different plants are doing, different seedlings. Thank yous for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.